Good morning, Cleveland, Ohio, 444 Central Scotland. Good morning. I'm doing absolutely wonderful. I hope you guys are doing well out there and looking forward to Christmas. 444, buddy, over. Yeah, John, you just wiped everybody out. Good morning, John. Good morning, my old friend out there. 444, the king of the mountain out there. 44 Thunder Mountain. Good morning, John.
You have a good time, George. I'm going to sit here and listen. 444, the king of Scotland. 44 John in New York.
Get you soon, buddy. Get you soon out there. 44, Mr. Thunder Mountain out there. 444. Good morning.
Roger that, roger that. You know you're going.
Yeah, thank you guys. Absolutely wonderful. You guys are all coming in here 20, 30 over, apart from 44. Who's 40 over? But yous are all booming in here, guys. 444. Good morning.
You're going to put a target on my back, 444. They're all going to be after me now.
No, you just wipe everybody out, John. It's incredible.
This is Kenny in Cleveland, Ohio, 711. That's okay. They're all going to be after you, too.
Thank you, my friend. All the best, John. 73's, buddy. 444, Mr. 44, King of the Mountain on the Thunder. Catch you soon, my friend. Catch you tomorrow, John. 444 said that. 4 fingers in the thumb, buddy. Catch you tomorrow if you're about, big man. 444, sending kind regards to Thunder Mountain. 44. Good morning, buddy. Yeah, I think it was a 257 or 357 Pennsylvania. 444. Kind regards, buddy. Good morning. Yeah, 357 Pennsylvania, 444. Good morning, buddy. quite busy in here. 357 Pennsylvania. Good morning, my friend. 444 in Central Scotland. Good morning. Yeah, there's about 20,000 people in there, guys. Incredible. All the best to 3, 5 and a 7 out there, out in Pennsylvania. 444, sending kind regards from Central Scotland. Good morning. Yeah, portable 357 in Pennsylvania. 444. All the best, buddy. 444 Central Scotland. Good morning. Thank you, buddy. All the best. 357 444. All the best to Pennsylvania. Bye bye. Yeah, 101 West Virginia. Also here, Mark in here, 447 in New Jersey. 101, my friend. A very good morning to you out there. Thank you, buddy. All the best to you, sir. The 101 in West Virginia. Thanking you, sir. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas. 101, the 101 in West Virginia. 444 Central Scotland. Good morning, buddy.
1144, go to channel 3737.
Thank you, New York. Here, Jerry. I'll give you a call in a minute. 447, Mr. Mark out there. 447, Mr. Mark. All the best, Mark. 444 Central Scotland. Good morning, buddy. Thank you, Mark. Thank you very much, my friend. It's always nice to hear you out there. Always give you a call, Mark, and I hear you out there, buddy. 447 New Jersey. Big signal, Mark. 444. Waving a hand, my old friend. Good morning. 99 444, sir. 99 444 returning. Go ahead.
Hey there, how you doing? You're sounding real good here in the PA state. Definitely sounding good. You're knocking my needle clean off.
Yeah, I like to knock the needle clean off out there in Pennsylvania, my friend. It's absolutely super. 99, you're coming back 20, 30 over back here. Big signal coming back, my friend. Go ahead.
10-4, 10-4. What's the weather like there where you're at? Here it's cloudy and it's cold. It's getting colder all the time.
Yeah, well, it's getting colder back here all the time. It's to be a little cooler back in the end of the week back here. We've got about 7 degrees Celsius at the moment. 7 degrees Celsius with a little bit of rain. A little bit of rain back here, 101, sorry, 99, come on.
Hey there, I'm starting to lose you there. I guess the skip is starting to die out on us a little bit, so I'm going to say 73s to you. Thanks for the comeback. The 99 from London, Pennsylvania said that. Have a great one.
Okay, 99, I'll have a little bit extra for you there, 99. All the best to 99, 444 Central Scotland. Good morning, buddy, thank you. Okay, 31-3, my old friend out there in Canada. 31-3, Radio Canada. 444. Good morning. Thank you, 31-3, Radio Canada. Thank you for the shout, my friend. All the best out there. 444 with a morning wave to Canada. Take care, buddy. Yeah, I hear you, Tennessee. All the best to Tennessee. 444. Waving a hand, boys. Good morning.